शापोराच्या फामाद फोर्टाचे ब्युटिफिकेशन आणि दुरुस्ती कर म्हणून 2022 सावन डिलायला लोबो सरकाराक सांगत आयल्या, पण सरकार आपले फायनान्साचे दळण दळत रावला. देखून डिलायलान आयज थेट सुभाष फळदेसायाक सुनायले, फायनान्साचे सांगू नाका, तूं वर्क ऑर्डर केन्ना दितलो तें सांग. थंय टुरिस्टांक साद्यो टॉयलेट लेगीत नात. आता उत्तर दी. डिलायलान आपल्या सरकारांतल्या मंत्र्याक शिंगार घेतली.
Center of the Shapara Fort is one of the most beautiful, historical and important fort of Goa. It's a matter of pride. All the Goans, especially our Sholkas, from day one, I've been putting a question regarding this restoration of Shapara Fort. 11 July we answer the law. Work of restoration of Shapara Fort is in process, and the estimated cost of the project is 2 crore 64 lakhs on 11th July 22. मागीर 27 March 23 परत सांगले restoration of Shapara Fort Anjuna is open and currently the file is in with finance department. मागीर 8 August 23 परत तोच answer, the file is pending before finance department. मागीर 15 July 24 तोच, the revised estimates prepared are submitted to the public work department for necessary technical sanction. मागीर 26 March 25 तोच answer before finance department for expenditure sanction. आणि आता परत तोच answer, the file is before finance department for expenditure section. म्हणल्यार from 2022 till date the answer is same. So हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता तुका बेगाच्या बेगान कर, आणि म्हाका तू वर्क ऑर्डर, म्हाका फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे ते एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन म्हाका तू वर्क ऑर्डर केन्ना दितलो ते सांग.
Speaker sir, as she has said, Shapura Fort is a protected monument of this department. आणि या फोर्टाचेर आम्ही आयजच नाही तर सरकार खूप ताजेर ह्या आसा, कारण हो एक अत्यंत सुंदर असो फोर्ट आसा आणि ताजेर हजारांनी लोकांचे ये जाता, and it is a touristic place, and it's because of that when I took over as a minister, the first thing that I did, तुमका आता काहीच केले ना असे काय ना, 5 crore 77 crores have been spent on providing the pathway, and it is beautifully done. Now it is encroached upon all those shopkeepers and all that we have to remove. Once I had removed around 300 odd structures which were lying illegal, and हांव जेन्ना गेलो तेन्ना ते म्हजे कडेन केस्तांव करपाक लागले. विदिन 1 hour सगळी आसा तितकी खाली करून हांव आयलो परत एक फावटी. आता लोकली लोक येवपाक लागले, पहिले भायले येताले, आता लोकली आयले. We have to see that it is monetized and we have to maintain the discipline.
सांगले ते I'm really thankful to you for the access work done, but the work order केन्ना मेळटले तेजे assurance जाय. And secondly, तुसर टॉयलेट्स अजूनही नसत, वराची वरा तुसर टुरिस्ट बसून असतात. This is the basic necessity there.
Once I get the ताजे आमचे फायनान्स अप्रुवल मेळटकच immediately within 15 days we will issue a work order, and I am expecting it within 1 month's time you will get the contractor will be given a work order and we will start the work of restoration.
Yes. The toilet.
But the toilet is included in that. The first part that we can take up is a toilet because it is a basic necessity we must have.